Did you know that beetle bugs leave behind dry, dead trees, which contributes to climate problems? Team Forestability has come up with a solution for this.
My team's working on a concept of using drones to prevent beetle bug infestation.
We found interesting studies that show how we can actually mark the infected species. And we basically took a sample and implemented it for this area. And we're tracking the pieces such as colors and shapes, which indicate the infected trees.
We have everyone ranging from hardcore technologists and coders to someone who's very amazing at design, and also some business people who have a strategic mindset to put it all together and solve the problem.